All right, so we got our brackets on with our adapter plates. That bolt is out because I'm going to need it to make a bracket to go to this alternator, because this alternator was bigger than the stock one, which I didn't measure. It just said it fits Chevys and this truck, but it don't, so it's whatever. Still wanted to use my old 350 brackets. That way all my other stuff still works and I can just buy 350 parts. So went ahead and cut this bracket off where that stock alternator would sit in. Got my measurements to try to make a bracket go from here to here. Might make it out of some plate steel. I might try 3D printing it, just see what happens maybe. But yeah, there's that. And so that whole thing's mounted up. Power steering pump will go here like it did. Cut off the old air pump bracket, which I never used in the first place. Cut most of it off. I'm still gonna cut this piece off, but I kind of got a little overzealous with the hammer and cracked this whole piece off there. So we got some JB welds setting up while everything's bolted on so that it will cooperate. We got bolts for this kit. This bracket was I think one part number off of what the kit was supposed to work with. So the bolts that I got supplied weren't right. So I went and bought some bolts. I think that one actually needs to be a little shorter. I might just stack some washers behind it. I don't know where my idler pulley is. I haven't found that yet. But I got to flip my water pump around, which is another reason why I cut this air pump bracket off. It's because then the outlet will have to come out of there. And it's probably going to interfere with this, so I might have to get some different fittings and route that out here for the lower radiator hose. That's about it for the front brackets. We'll get everything going with that soon. And then I got new T-handles. I'm an idiot though, and apparently can't count. I'm short 2 because these come in packs of 4. I bought 3. Well, 3 on the insides and 4 on the outsides. I'm missing 2. No big deal, but it's progress. And now I'm going to go figure out what to do with this bracket that I need to make. And that's about it for today.